Okay, the first thing to cover is how to install FIJI. Now there's a bit of question about FIJI, ImageJ, the difference between the names. So FIJI stands for FIJI is just ImageJ. Basically, it's an updated version of ImageJ which allows itself to self-compile and update any new plugins that might be coming onto the platform. Previously, you would have had to manually install and things like that. So you can download FIJI from fiji.sc. There are instructions there on how to download and install. One really important thing we find at the University of Melbourne is you need to install it on a drive that you have admin rights over. So if you're working on a university computer, you may not have admin rights within the program files. You might have to install it on the desktop or somewhere like that. One of the really powerful things about FIJI is the number of plugins that it has available for researchers. So these are tools that have been generated by researchers for specific functions which other people can use. Now we don't use a lot of these in the FIJI for Beginners or FIJI for Quantification workshop, and that's because they're fairly specific to different types of workflows. But it's worth going through and having a look. Now the first time you open FIJI, or every time you open FIJI, it will ask you, do you want to update the software? So for the moment, click not at the moment, but you will want to do that on a regular basis. So what it will do is it will go through and update any new updates, but it will also launch the manage update sites. So this is different plugin sites where people are developing their own plugins and allowing people to download them and install them within FIJI. So you can see a picture of this down here in the bottom left hand corner. We've got a number of different plugins that are available to us. We can select these and then they'll be updated regularly every time we update FIJI. If you want to do this any other time, you can go to FIJI help update and it will do that.